Hi, this is Elvira from Scrappy Mania, and today I just want to give you a quick tip how you can make cards that are top folding like this one using your small guillotine. So let me show you how to do it. So the reason why I want to use this to cut my top folding card is because I do have a large guillotine, but it takes a lot of my real estate on my craft room and my table. So it's really large for my table. And I also have this scoreboard. It's also large. However, the scoreboard, I can put something on top, and sometimes what I do is I do have a cutting mat that I insert on here and I craft on top of this, which is fine, but I cannot do that with my big guillotine. I have to constantly move it out of the way and then bring it back, and a lot of times I end up putting it on the floor because I run out of space on my table. So what I wanted to find a way that I can do these type of cards just using my small guillotine. So what I decided to do, but first let me show you how easy it is if you just want to do regular cards that are either horizontal like this or this way. So I can either make a card with this format, that it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 or 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. Let's see. No, this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So as you can see here, I can do it this way, or I can do a card portrait like that. But if I want to do these type of cards, it's kind of more difficult. So I tend to do a lot of these because I usually just use my guillotine, and I end up cutting my cardstock, so I can put my cardstock on the 11th side. I can put my cardstock in here, and then I do have some adhesive here. I put a tape that it helps measure. I measured out 5 1/2 exactly, and I put some painter's tape, and it also helps because it creates a ridge. That painter tape creates a ridge, so I can butt it against this side. I can butt it against the top ridge like so, and then I can just cut in the middle, and then I have my small little scoreboard, very tiny, very convenient, and then I just measure 4 1/4, fold it over, and there, I'm done. I've done a card. So see how simple that is. Let me go ahead and do that. But I want to try to mix things up. I want to create some top folding cards. And so in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and use the big Martha Stewart scoreboard. Now, there are some other scoreboards on the market. This one's no longer available on the market, but you can find, We Are Memory has one, and some other companies have one. So I go ahead and score my 5 1/2 line, okay, and then I fold it in half, and that creates a perfect fold. Then I take my small little guillotine and I measure 4 1/4. So I just line it up with 4 1/4 and then slice. And there, I have a perfect top folding card, which I could also use it this way or top. I like it top folding, so I like that. So that's pretty much my tip. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching. Bye now.